Okay, thank you very much. I'm sure you can hear me.
I can hear you.
Yeah, thank you very much. Okoyemi Okuntade, an analyst from Financial Derivatives Company, our data provider here. Now, let's talk about crude oil, where things are coming. Crude oil, crude prices, that's what it looks to you, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean, prices are going down. I mean, this morning, as of when I sent you my report, it was still above $53, and now it's at $52.72, which just shows you how, the speed at which, or the speed at which traders, the speed at which traders, move in the market. And currently, what's happening in the U.S.? I mean, the U.S. released a report last week, and it shows that they have increased drilling activities in an additional 21 rigs, which is the highest since April 2014. So this shows that they are going to continue increasing production in the U.S. and in Iraq. For this month, they have exported about 3 million barrels from their southern oil fields, which is far away from the areas the Islamic militants controls. And this just shows you that the market is still going to be oversupplied. Adding it to what's happening in China, the Chinese stock market, the slump in the stock market. I mean, they're even comparing it now to the Great Depression in the U.S. This just shows that it's not looking too good for Nigeria specifically with what's going on in the crude oil, with what's going on in crude oil prices.
Well, we started the year quite positive, where the Brent was around 12%. We almost hit 20% on pricing. We went as high as 62. Almost $66 per barrel. Now we're around 52. Early today, we're shaving off very significantly. Talk to us about how these affect numbers. I'm sure you are in the news. You watch the news as well. BP profit after tax, that's significant, 46% down early in today. Do you think this volatility to the downside for oil prices, crude that is, will continue to impact the oil-producing exploration companies?
Yes, definitely it would. I mean, that's their major source of income, and that's what they're dealing. And having oil prices dropping down from about 66, it was still around $66, for Brent crude like last month, and now you're talking about 52. I mean, that's a significant drop. That's going to affect their profits. That's going to affect their how they can finance their cost of production in terms of financing drilling activities and the lot. So that's and looking at what's happening in Seplat. I mean, I was listening to you earlier and what's going on with Seplat, the Nigerian oil firm. That just goes to show you that all this would have significant impacts on all those firms.
Okay, Okoyemi, thank you very much for coming through this morning. We appreciate your time via Skype.